like an awkward drizzle today. Makes no sense, but we're gonna try to put my harness bar in. Hopefully this is enough room to get my doors open, get my seats out, do everything we need. So hopefully this works out. Alrighty, let's find our 14. Why is that there be raining? It's not even raining, it's like a weird mist. What will I scratch today? I'm gonna take off the bulky sleeve. My initial idea is for you to be in the car with me, so that's why I'm gonna clear this out, clean it up, get everything good. Almost there. Be sweating by the time we're done. Just taking off the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna start mocking up the harness bar. Feels good to be able to climb in your car though. That's why I usually do it. I usually take out my seats, that way I have plenty of room. And yeah, mock this up. I need to take this jimmy off. Taking this guy off. This guy seems like it just slides off. Same thing on the other side. God, this is a mess. I'm hot. It's hot in here. It's hot in here. It's a jungle in here. We're gonna do the same on the other side next. Slide them up. Time for the harness bar. Best thing if you're doing this by yourself, I learned this last, get a box to put it here, because then you'll have the harness bar. You'll be able to mount it up without any real issues. First, we're gonna take off these bolts, these seatbelt bolts, because that's where our thingamajiggers are gonna go. It's up to you, but you can choose to keep these on here. I always like to, just in case if you don't feel like running your harnesses and you still want your seatbelt on. Like say you're driving to the grocery store. That's why I always keep them on here. Doing the bottom bolt next. There's literally no point of having an interior. This goes all the way back to the seat. So that's on. Next is the brace mounts. Here we go. Okay, right here I forgot to explain that I could not get the one side bolt out because it was rusted and I didn't want to break it. So what I'm doing is taking off my seat to get to access the secondary bolt to the chassis, which is a 12mm. This is kind of not the best way to do it, but if it is an alternative. I spoke with a couple buddies and they said as long as it's mounted to a chassis, it should be okay. In the future I'll find out exactly if it's okay, but for now, this is what I went with. Making progress. Worst comes to worst, it's wrong and me and Mike fix it last minute. there. Almost there. All right. Hopefully doing it that way doesn't affect anything. It shouldn't, but never know what specifications. Because the only reason I did it this way majorly because that bolt does not want to come out. It's rusted. So, oh man, I'm gonna take a little break. We got a lot on the agenda. We still got to put the fire extinguisher mount in next. So, take a little break though. Alrighty, got everything cleaned up. I didn't vacuum yet, but the harness bar is all cleaned up and ready to rock. Not too bad, right? Next is fire extinguisher mount. Alright. Let's see this. It's over here. Let's take this off first. Ouch. Found my special 5/16. I don't have to break my hands. What a somewhat successful day. We're making it. We're getting there. Alrighty. So I decided to put my fire extinguisher there. It was just a pain in the butt. So I didn't really film. That's just, oh my goodness, that was such a pain. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there for now until I figure out a better place. But it's not too bad. I like it there. So, all right, next is to vacuum and get my stuff together. We're making progress today. Making progress. All right, I'm gonna throw my seat in real quick and attempt to drive there with nothing bolted down because I want to vacuum everything out. See how good this goes. Hopefully we don't die. Straight down. It's literally right outside there, you know. I'll throw 1 or 2 bolts in. That car is filthy. Ugh. Oh man, this battery's about to die. Alright, hopefully my battery doesn't die. I'm gonna go wash it. Alright, we made it. Super empty. Gonna vacuum. Gonna vacuum this bad boy out, get it right. Man. Alright, so hopefully this works out. Hey-oo. Little super action. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try to get as much done as possible before my battery dies. Get my crow harnesses mounted. Alrighty. Trying to save as much footage, but it seems like this is going to be a 2-part thing. I got my harnesses mocked up, just the top ones, but the bottom ones don't seem to have the right bolt. I don't know if that's a tie down on the bottom. I've never seen that. It usually has a bolt hole where you can bolt it into one of these side bolts, but I have to look into that. My phone died, so I literally can't even Google it. So, but I think we're gonna leave it here. Fire extinguisher mount done, harness bar done, top part of harnesses are done. So let me know what you guys think. I like it a lot. Too shabby. I'm probably gonna wrap up or clean this all up, wrap up, go home, save the rest for another day. I made some great progress though. Harness bar, fire extinguisher, first part of harness is done. So, and vacuumed my whole car, so it looks good. This rear seat I might throw out just because I don't think I'll ever put a rear seat in there ever again. So, because even with a harness bar, no one's sitting back there. It goes so far back. But all right, gonna wrap up. Just wrapped up, just cleaned up. I have my GoPro with me, so I'm seeing what this sounds like. I'm assuming you probably can't hear me, but it's one of the older GoPros, but it should be better audio than my previous one. Got the harness bar in, fire extinguisher mount. I already said all this, but I'm pretty excited. Everything's good to go. If this works out, this is sweet. I'm gonna keep a GoPro in my car at all times if this works. So close to being done, but yet so far. I have to check and see if I have to order those little side bolting mounts. So we'll have to look them up, see how much they are, order them, because they shouldn't be much. They're just pieces of metal. I like the way the car is looking. This is kind of like a test, more so. Also, I wanted to test this GoPro and see if it is good quality, because it's a little dark out. Not dark out, it's just foggy. So it'll be a good test for if it's good in lowish light. But I'm so sweaty. I did not expect to be out that late. I was literally working since it's like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9:30, and it's 2:30ish now.
A tale as old as time.
Hit me with it.
Sing it. Sing it.
I can't be my pumpkins.
Okay, ready? A tale as old as time.
Oh,
You have to sing it. I'm trying to teach you the song. A tale as old as time.
It's so time.
As true as it
That
can.
deal is so time is this.
The tale as old as time.
This
Is the next line. No. As
That's
true
okay.
as it can be.
I guess that's that, mommy. That mommy is that my dad. That my mommy and that my dad. And I sing with him. And
You sing with them?
I sing with him. It's me message. From the message. The shop.
Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes. Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Again.
Can you?
Again. Big. Good. Hello. Down.
Let me go, Lena.
Look.
She loves the camera.
That Mickey?
No, it's Goofy's son.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's Goofy's son.
They're shaking that boom. Oh, she got the
Whoa, what are you doing?
She got a good shake.
So it'll be interesting. I have no idea what I recorded, so I may or may not have enough footage. So this may be the outro. Don't know if I mentioned, but I still have to put my other seat in. I had to finalize my harnesses, order my the bolt-in tabs for the harnesses. So yeah, all in time. Take it away for us.
Let me say.
Happy birthday!